Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Secure Routing for Mobile Ad Hoc Networks. Abstract. The emergence of the mobile ad hoc networking technology advocates self-organized wireless interconnection of communication devices that extend or operate in concert with the wired networking infrastructure or possibility to evolve autonomous networks. In these cases, the proliferation of managed-based applications depends on the multitude of factors, with trustworthiness being one of the primary changes to the concept. Designing a routing protocol which can protect the privacy of nodes and networks and at the same time ensure the security of discovered route. In MANET, any node may compromise the routing protocol functionality by disturbing the root discovery process. In order to achieve high malicious protection, we propose a root discovery protocol that mitigates the detrimental effects of such malicious behavior as to provide correct connectivity information. Our protocol guarantees that fabricated, compromised, or replayed root replies would either be rejected or never reach back the querying node. Simulation results use our proposed security routing protocol, which provides higher security and enhances the network lifetime as well. Let us see the flow of our project. First, we have to form the network. A network formation contains energy efficiency and channel and antenna types. Then, source start to send the data to the destination. In that time, we have to implement the secure routing protocol, which reduces the network overhead. So first, for that, RREQ and RREP messages were received. So RREQ is nothing but root request and RREP for root response. If threshold is 0 means attack, we have to identify the attacker and replay the validation. So we have to blacklist attack depending upon the RREP and RREQ request and the threshold value. So after identifying the attacker, we have to blacklist them and maintaining the route. Then their transmission is successfully done. The performance evaluation were done by using a delay, throughput, packet delivery ratio, and energy efficiency. Let us see the output of our project. First, open the Red Hat VMware. Then open this terminal window and go to our directory folder, project folder directory. So type cd space code, and this is for running our ns main.tcl file. So type ns space main.tcl .tcl. So now the highest antenna size is defined here. This is our output window, which is called a network animation window. So this is our play forward button. So this is for speed upping the time. So we put the speed as 20 milliseconds. So first we have to form the network, and source and the sync node is formation. So source node is 8 and a destination node is 13. So first we have to construct the node. Next, route selection is based upon the RREQ is done. So now the node 8 sends the information to the node 18, but the node 18 is act as a malicious node. So we have to identify that node, and so now this 18 node which drop all the packets. So now the packet dropping ratio is defined here. So we have to identify the malicious. So this also annotated here. The node of 18 drop the packets. Now the data transmission done via the another node. So this node has also act as a neighboring node. Now the node transmission is done via 6, and the sixth node sends the information to 2, but 2 also act as a malicious, and then so the source node take the bypassing the packets and sends the information to the trustworthy nodes. So now the data transmission is done without any malicious nodes. So now the data transmission is done via the 4 and the third node. So via the 0th node, the data packet will be sent to the destination. So for running our graph file, we have to type GNU space that graph dot plot. For that, open our code folder. So this is our code folder which contains our code, and this delay.awk, throughput.awk, network overhead AWKs are all generating our graph. So go to that coding folder and type awk space -f space delay.awk space out.tr. So this will generate one file. So next we have to, this graph will be plotted using xgraph. So type xgraph space delay.xg. So this is our delay graph depending upon our output simulation. Thank you for watching.